Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about select. Okay, so let's see what is it. So inside the select, what is going to happen to select from a table in MySQL, use the select statement. Okay, select will help us to select the what all the values you need to select in your table. So that is how you are going to write it. Fine. So select all records from the customer table and display the result. So how you are going to write it? You have to write my cursor dot execute select star from the customer. So that means all the values that you have mentioned inside the customer file table that will be selected. After that, you have to write my result equal to my cursor dot fetch all. So it will select all the files that are mentioning inside the table. So that is how it is going to work. So we use the fetch all method, which fetches all the row from the last executed statement. Okay, so whatever the last executed statement you added inside the table will be selected too. So that fetch all will help you to select all the rows that you have added inside the table. Okay. So I have mentioned all the codes and let me load this. So on screen you can see that these are the details that you have mentioned and these are the details are available here. So whatever the mentioned details that is available inside the table are available here only. So that is how you are going to create it. So I hope you understood. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much.